Привет! Hello everyone and welcome to Putnik School. My name is Rosti and I will be your guide into the world of the Russian language. Are you planning an exciting trip and feeling a little nervous about the language barrier? And you've heard that not many people speak English and the alphabet looks, well, different? But here's something you might not realize. Russian is not just for Russia. It's your key to a huge, diverse, and beautiful part of the world. It's widely spoken or understood in many countries across Eastern Europe, the Caucasus, and Central Asia. Think of places like Ukraine, Belarus, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Armenia, Georgia, Uzbekistan. Even in the Baltic states like Latvia, Estonia, or popular tourist spots in Bulgaria, knowing a few Russian phrases will be incredibly helpful. This course gives you the tools to explore a vast region with much more confidence. I have great news. In this short and practical course, I'm going to give you the absolute essential phrases and cultural tips you need to not just survive, but to truly enjoy your trip whenever you go. Of course, you can use Google Translate, but trust me, knowing just a few simple words will transform your experience. When you say Spasibo, thank you, or Извините, excuse me, you're not just speaking Russian, you're showing respect. You're building a bridge. Doors will open. People will smile, and you will go from being just another tourist to being a welcome guest. We'll also touch on some simple cultural tips. For example, why people on the street might not smile at you. It's not because they're unfriendly, and how a simple gesture can make a huge difference. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the Cyrillic alphabet. It looks intimidating, right? Well, here is a secret. Many of the letters are actually your friends. This one is letter K. K. The sound K. This is M, A, T. This one, letter O. So you can already read the word cot, a cat. Russian is much more phonetic than English. Once you learn the sounds, you can read almost anything. And to make it super easy for you, I've created a one-page how to read Russian cheat sheet. It's your secret weapon to understanding signs in the metro, on cafes, and in shops. You'll find it in the course materials. This course is built for real-life travel situation. We have 5 short video lessons. The first one, we will start right where your journey begins, the airport and transport. You will learn how to get a taxi, buy a metro ticket, and ask where your boss is. The next one, we will head to cafes and restaurants. You will learn how to order food confidently, ask for the bill, and say that everything was delicious. Then we will cover the hotel, how to check in, ask for the Wi-Fi password, and anything else you might need for a comfortable stay. And then finally, we'll go over emergencies and other useful phrases, how to find a pharmacy, ask for help, and other key phrases you for your peace of mind. And the best part, for each lesson you get a downloadable PDF with all the key phrases and a pocket dictionary. You can save them on your phone or print them out to take it with you. Mm, my goal here is not to make you fluent. My goal is to give you confidence. On all my classes, I'm trying to give you confidence. The confidence to explore, to interact, and to get the most out of your amazing trip. So download your How to Read Russian cheat sheet and let's get started. I hope to see you next class and bye bye.